Have you been looking for a ranch-style home with no HOA in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of our listing right here at 109 Pinewood Avenue in Clinton, South Carolina. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I will help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And we get calls from people like you all the time looking to move to the area. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, let's check out 109 Pinewood Avenue in Clinton, South Carolina. Pretty spacious lots in this community. So this home is located in an older neighborhood, spacious lots. As you can see, you got plenty of parking here, extra pad, lots of concrete, so you've got plenty of places for people to park. Nice little sidewalk here to get up to the front door. Got a little street light there. There's a 2-car garage. This home has about 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There's a bonus room as well. And the roof is about a couple of years old, about 2.5 years old for the roof. The HVAC is also about 2.5 years old. So as you come in, you got the living room area here, and there's laminate floors on the floors here in the living room area. Now this area here goes where the bedroom is, so we'll check that out in a moment. And right over here is the kitchen dining room, huge space in the kitchen dining room area. This is about 24 by 20 space over here. So huge space there. And right over here is like an area we're calling it the bonus room, but I think this used to be the garage that was converted and made into part of the house. So this would be a good play area, office, or whatever you want to use it for, okay? Right over here, you got a full bathroom with the shower, okay? And behind that is the laundry. And we'll check out the bedrooms. Okay, right over here is the first bedroom. The windows have been updated in this house. So you've got the tilt-in double pane windows. This room actually has 2 closets in it. So we'll check them out. So you've got a smaller closet here. And then you've got this closet as well. The HVAC is about 2.5 years old and does have tankless water heater. Another bedroom here. Closet. Okay. And then this is the primary bedroom. Okay. Like I said, it does have the tilt-in windows, or tilt out, depending on what you want to refer to it as. Ensuite bathroom. Got the 1 sink there. It does have jetted tub as well. So it's jetted tub in the ensuite bathroom. Check out the outside. And right over here, I didn't mention this before, so you do have a wood stove right here And from what I understand, this thing heats up the house pretty well. But it does have a wood stove, and the current owners actually have some wood outside that they can leave for you to use in the wood stove. And you've got one exterior access here to go outside, and we'll go out the other side of the home here. All right, so you've got another door to go out this way. All right, so right over here is the patio. You've got a 2-car garage or workshop, so you could either park there or use it as a workshop. It does have electricity. And as you can see, you've got some firewood there to put in the wood stove if you wanted to use that. Now the house does have central heat and air. If you wanted to use the wood stove, that's just up to you if you wanted to use that. Show you the workshop here, garage. You can see you've got electricity in here. And something, it looks like there's a gas line here as well, that's wrapped around. Not sure if that works or not, but it does have it. And the electrical panel here for the workshop garage. And a few outbuildings on this property. It's about half-acre lot, fenced backyard. Like I said, the HVAC unit, that's fairly newer. And got the building there, that's about a 10 by 20 there. And this one, I think, is like 23 by 20 building right over there. And then you've got like a 16 by 8 that's attached to the garage workshop. Tankless water heater. Properties, it's about less than a mile from Presbyterian College here in Clinton, and really close to downtown Clinton as well. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all the available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.